again tonight. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking towards it. Might actually get to capture something here. Son of a bitch. All right, whatever you are, you need to leave. Stay out of this place. This is our home. This is our home. You need to leave. You leave now. I don't think it's going to come around for a little bit. I think that'll keep it away for a while. Oh, God. I hope that does it. I really do.
My fingers are bored. They need something to do. What's that? I can tickle you? Yeah! Tickle, 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 tickle. Wow, my friend, that was lots of fun. But now it's time to tickle somebody else. What's that? I can tickle you? Yeah! Oh, shit.
Louder, get the back over the line. Here's the pass. On into the Buffalo zone. Mahar goes to the corner of the pass. And oh, wow.
But watch Malarchuk. That's the story right now with the red. Oh, look at that. Oh, boy. Take the... Oh, man.
I don't think I'm going to be getting much sleep tonight. There are people about 100 meters away, blazing music out. At least some good songs anyway. And some people screaming. Wish me luck, everybody.
Oh, he turned the fire off. Oh my God. Just go on. Wait. This way. No. No, cut the camera. Let's go. Doors just closed. What fucking gun? What the fuck? Hell no.
Clip
Clip mi χορδί. Δεν πειράζει, πάρε ένα
πράγμα.
πράγμα.
Να παίξουμε ένα μαλακά.
Βλέπετε.
Παίξουμε ένα τραγούδι του δρόμου.
Ένα τραγούδι του δρόμου.
Εκεί. 1, 2, 3, go.
Έλα ρε μαλάκα, πάμε.